Well. Sometimes if you can't figure out the solution to your problem, you need to offset a little bit to see the real problem. Just like that in real life, let us see what Blender has to offer in the case of offset. For that to happen, we need to go from object mode to edit mode. You can do that using the tab key. And in this we have three modes: vertex mode, edge mode, face mode. You can also use 1 2 3 on your keyboard to access those. I will access edge mode, and we will go to the loop cut, click and hold there so that we can find the next tool in it, offset edge loop. What does it do? First of all, we will put a loop cut. I will cut a loop here, and then we will go and select offset edge loop cut. What it exactly does is, if you click and drag over a line, it creates two extra supporting edges for the object. Now how can we harvest the use of this tool? For that to happen, let me show you one trick. What I will do, I will scale this object, and then using the offset edge loop cut, I will click and drag and scale it down. So with the help of that, we can get this type of indentations. So that is offset loop cut. If you like the way these videos are going, hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you want to support me wholeheartedly, Patreon link is also given in the description. With the help of Patreon, you can support me financially. Isn't it great? It's awesome. So until then, see it, try it, understand it. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.